Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, Melody Susie sent me their 2-in-1 nail lamp with a nail drill to share with you all. So once I open the box, you can see that there's a few things included in the box. Here are two e-file bits that they've included in the package. The green one is coarse and the blue is medium. It also comes with the standard 6-piece diamond bits along with these extras too. And there's a user manual that gives you all the information on how to use it. So the white rectangular box on the side is the handpiece. It's a beautiful rose gold. It's like a rose gold pink, which is my favourite colour, so I'm really excited that they sent this one to me because there's two colours, one's a rose gold and I think another one is gold. So this is the handpiece that you use for the e-file, and this is the lock and the unlock, so you can slide it. So what you do is you twist it to the unlock, which is when you take your e-file bit out, and then you put in a new one and then you slide it and that holds the bit in place, and this is the plug for it. And then this is the main part, which is the lamp. I'm struggling to get it out, but once I figure it out I managed to take it out, and this is how it looks. So this is where the e-file handpiece sits. Inside the lamp there was the power cable that I forgot to record, and you can see that beautiful rose gold pink. Rose gold pink, I'll just call it like that because it's a mixture between baby pink and rose gold. So you can see how it wraps around the entire lamp. The bottom is magnetic, so you can take that off with no clips or anything, it just sticks, so it's just magnetic. And you can see there's a blue film on it, so you can see me peeling that off as well. You can see the blue sky in the reflection. It's a lovely day outside. And now you see me attaching it again, and you just gently tap it, so you just gently touch the lamp, you don't need to move it, it's just magnetic, so it just sticks to it. Next you can have a look at the digital screen. You can see the Melody Susie logo at the top along with the touchscreen pad, so you can see the buttons are for 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then there's a low heat mode. Sometimes when you're experiencing heat spikes when curing gel, what you can do is put on the low heat mode and that will help. It doesn't create such an intense heat reaction. And at the bottom half of the panel you can see the dial and the two buttons, forward and reverse. These three buttons are for your e-file. The forward and reverse is for your e-file, which way it's rotating. You can see the dial goes all the way up to 30,000 rotations per minute. Now at the back you can see where the grey wire is, that's for the e-file handpiece, and the other part is for where you can plug in the power cable. Next to the power cable is the on and off switch, and as soon as I turn it on you can see the digital display for 15 seconds appearing, which is showing that as a default program for the LED lamp. So all you need to do is just tap the screen to change it, and I'm just doing a little demonstration that the second you put your hand in the LED lamp it just turns on and starts doing a countdown from however many seconds you've selected, and then it automatically turns off once it's reached 0. Inside you can see all the little LED bulbs and how there's full coverage of the light. They're at the top, the sides, the front. So now that's me showing you the LED lamp side of the device. So now is for the second part, which is the e-file. So first, before I do anything, I'm just showing that I'm using the Melody Susie dust collector. When I'm filing my nails, there's a lot of dust everywhere, so I always use this dust collector. I did do a video of unboxing and showcasing this product. If you'd like to see it, you can tap on the card at the top of the screen. So when I'm removing product off my nails, what I do is first clip off the excess length with some clippers, and then using the e-file I remove the bulk of the product. So to turn it on, I just turn the dial and you can hear a click and a light will show on which setting you're on, whether it's the forward or reverse. And I increase the speed so you can see. And now I just start removing the excess bulk of my nails. You can see all of the dust getting sucked in towards the dust collector. I usually use an extra coarse e-file bit when I'm removing enhancements because it removes more of a bulk of the product, but I thought I'd use the coarse e-file bit that came in the box. And as you can see, it is taking a good amount of product off the nail. So when I remove my acrylics off, I usually clip off the excess, then file the bulk of the nail right until the bottom, and then I soak off the remaining using acetone. So this is it for the video. I ended up doing a new set of nails, and the new nails that I created I posted in my last video, which was using Saviland acrylics. So if you haven't watched that, you can head over to the video now and watch it. I'll link that in the card at the top of the screen as well. I want to say a huge thank you to Melody Susie for sending me this product to share with you all, and I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's watching the video, as well as everyone who supports my videos by liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. It means a lot to me, honestly. So I'm sending you all lots of love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.